Welcome to Broomfield Tai Chi Chuan. In this video, we practice some beginner Tai Chi. Let's do 3 basic beginner moves. Begin by stepping out with your left foot. Bring both hands up in front of you into opening posture. Sink your center and sink your knees as both hands come down. Bring your weight to your left foot as you hold the ball with your right hand under and left hand over. Step out with your right heel, and your right hand comes up. Both hands come out to the side and roll back. Now press forward. Roll back again, and with both hands from your center, push out in front of you. Shift your weight and pivot your right toe as you move to the other side. Hold the ball with your left hand under and right hand over. Step out with your left heel and bring your left hand out in front of you. Hands come out and roll back. As your right hand comes in front of you, press out. Shift your weight back as you roll back, and with both hands from your center, push out. Shift your weight and pivot your left toe as you open and close into closing posture. Both hands come out in front of you, and drop your hands back to your waist, and bring your left foot back. Let's practice again. Take a nice deep breath to relax your shoulders before you start. Step out with your left foot into opening posture. Go into hold the ball and step out into grasp sparrow's tail. Use your center to push out. Shift and pivot to the other side and step out with your left foot. Roll back. Use your center to push out. And go into your closing posture. Tai Chi Chuan can be a difficult art, but you've done the first step. You've watched a video and tried it out. Watch another one of my videos to keep practicing. Give me a like and subscribe. Stay healthy, stay strong.